We're looking for that 5,000 propane door. I don't think it's that big. Yep. $1,099. Ain't pretty big. Yep. That's gonna run the RV. This is our project. Really not much. We're gonna take these down. I just want to take them down without damaging too much, and probably put these shades back up. We definitely taking these sofa pieces with us to see if we can reupholster them. This is a nice little dining table. Y'all probably do your schoolwork at it during the day. Alright, so far we have took off the boards, the seat cushions. We're going to take those with us. And most importantly, we removed these window trimmings. They look very bulky, but when you take it off, it opens it up. Great. So we're going to continue to take this stuff out. We don't know what this is, but we're basically preparing for when we come back tomorrow. We are going to vacuum all of this stuff up and give it a deep clean. We're thinking about taking this carpet up, but in order to take that up, we're going to have to take these out and all of the screws. Oh, is this one piece? Ooh, yes, I will have to do all of this. This is one whole piece. Okay. Alright, so we are getting things prepared. We got the bedroom. I didn't know how you want to put your clothes, so I just left them in the basket. But as you can see, we reupholstered these. We did the top. We got this bottom to do, which I'm going to do that here. We left this as is. I didn't know if I was going to run out of material. It came with these covers. We washed those. And as you can see, the back of the bench came together really nice. I got one more piece to go. And then I'm also gonna reupholster this as well. And it made a huge difference. It looks so nice. We did our decorations. We're going with my long-haired cows. And we got other little pieces as well in here. We'll throw up. Put up my clothes. Left his clothes down. Oh, you ain't getting no hangers.
I just stole yours.
Stole mine?
Yeah. Get some more and go to the crib.
Oh. And then got that stuff in there. You got 1, 2, 3.
Got drawers.
Yeah. These 3 mine, these 2 in this closet. That's your section right there. Right, so I picked up these command strips to hang my couch into. All right, transparent moment here. A lot is going through my mind. I'm thinking, did I make the right choice? Are we prepared to do full-time RVing? With the knowledge we already know, it was just a lot going on. But at this point, we can't go back. We got to trust the process. Let's go. All right, so the door does not stay closed when you close it. So I picked up this here gadget. And let's see, where can we put it without it? This from Hobby Lobby. It is a motion glow.
It's coming to daddy too.
Just take the sink off, man.
Yeah, they hit the spot. When you hit that spot.
This is a family channel.
I'm talking about this thing. What you talking about?
What you talking about?
This. What I'm talking about, come to daddy in the game. See that? What you talking about? What you talking about? Huh? I'm gonna tell you to come later. Right now I'm working.
God's been good. Thank you. Catch her. Ketchup? Oh Lord, hey, ketchup. But look, pray, wait, trust. Have you prayed about it? Hold on. Check it out. Yeah. Okay. Got that table. Ryan didn't want to let this thing go. He said, no, I think we can make it work with them in the middle. He said, we never had no table like this before.
Which we need to screw something on that, make that more fair.
Alright, so I bought these because the step coverings that is on it now makes it look really raggedy. We've done everything we can do for today. We had one problem. Last time, we had a rat in our old camper. This time, we got a lizard that thinks he runs this pod. But we'll get him out. Let me put this back in. Let me see. Slide in. You got him?
Oh, dang.
That can stay. Let's go with us. Yeah. Last time we had a rat. This time it's a lizard, and he think he run this pod.
He don't run this pod. I told him to be a man and come on, face a real man.
He said, I don't know how to be a man.
Come on.
So I'm just a lizard.
We will do reptiles.
Just a lizard.
No. Look at that. You see, little buddy? I need you to whack that buddy.
I think he more scared of you than you is of him.
I ain't scared. I just said if I see little buddy, I need you to whack little buddy. You know? I ain't worried about nothing.
Hey, if you stayed this long, I just want to say thank you for watching our channel and thank you for watching us try to make the impossible possible. Follow us on our next episode. Be blessed.